Hey everybody, Beth Hayes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Glad to have you here. In this MyEcon 2025 global presentation, we're going to be talking about the new promotion that MyEcon is running with cash prizes, bonuses, new qualifications for ranking up, and all of the fun things that go along with that. So I'm excited to get to share this information with you guys. Let's go ahead and dive right in. MyEcon is calling this new promotion Celebration 20.5. Now, for those of you who don't understand what the significance of this is, this year, 2025, is the year that MyEcon has been in business for 20 years. Yes, 20 years. They've been operating inside the United States for that length of time. That's like forever, right? 20 years is a really long time. So they're having a celebration this year and they're calling it 20.5 because they want the next 5 years to be even better than the first 20 years. So they want the next 5 years to eclipse the first 20 years. And that's why they're calling it Celebration 20.5. Now, what does this mean for us as affiliates? Let's go ahead and look at that. All right. So here's the first slide in their little presentation. It's called Rank Up to Bank Up. Now, I know it doesn't show the old amounts on here, but just let me just tell you that all of these amounts, except for the very first one, have changed. They've all gone down. Yes, they've all gone down. It takes less team members to reach these new ranks than it did before last week at the beginning of April. So these have all gone down. The first rank is always the EVP Gold, which is the 2 personally enrolled members. That gets you your very first rank in MyEcon. Then you move up to the EVP Platinum, which is 10 active members. And it used to be 13 active members, just so you guys get the idea of how these numbers are dropping, okay? And so then the next rank above that is called EVP Infinity. Now these Infinity ranks, this EVP Infinity and the CEO Infinity, they're what the name says it is. You are being paid through infinity, down through your organization, down through your team, all the way down. Once you reach the infinity ranks, you are being paid to infinity. That's not just a name they give themselves. That's actually what's happening. Okay, so you can see the EVP Infinity is 38 members now, and the CEO Infinity, which is the top rank in the company, the top earners. These are people that are earning easily 5 figures per month, maybe more. The qualifications for CEO Infinity have been lowered down to 200 active members. Okay, so unlike other companies where you might find them trying to keep more of the money that they're making for themselves as a corporation, that's not the case with MyEcon. MyEcon is always looking for ways to give us as affiliates more money back to make things easier for us to be able to make more money. So that's why these qualifications, instead of going up to achieve the next rank, they're going down. It's becoming easier and easier to achieve these higher ranks instead of harder and harder. MyEcon wants to pay us as affiliates more money, not less money. Now, where do you hear of that? What company, what affiliate marketing company, digital marketing company, what company is paying their affiliates more money and trying to make things easier for them to get more money? MyEcon's goal is to try to make your life as an affiliate easier, my life as an affiliate easier, to be able to make more money and get to these higher ranks where you can produce more income and earn more as an affiliate by reaching these higher ranks faster. You're just not going to find that anyplace else. Okay, so moving on to the next slide. Okay, this next slide says Fast Cash Flow Builder Bonus. That's kind of a mouthful to say, but that's what they're calling their promotion that they're running right now. MyEcon is running this promotion where when you are enrolling personally sponsored people, you're going to get a little something extra. So it says right here, you earn your regular commission up front when you personally enroll a new member into MyEcon. So if you've looked at my compensation video, if you've seen that online, it explains what the regular commissions would be that you would earn on the different levels of membership, okay? So I'll go ahead and put that down in the description down below, that video on the compensation plan, and I'll also add it as the end card as well. There will be a new compensation video coming out soon, but for now, we're working with the one that we've got. So you'll earn your regular commissions from whichever membership that someone signs up with. But then when it comes time for your new member to renew their digital membership in 30 days after they get started, you're going to earn an extra $7.50 per person, unlimited. So if you sponsor 10 people and in 30 days it's time for them to renew their membership, they all renew, you're earning 10 times $7.50. Or if you sponsor 100 people and in 30 days they're all renewing their membership, you earn 100 times $7.50. You get the picture, right? This can turn into some serious money here when people are renewing their membership. Now, these memberships, again, are like your Gold's Gym membership, your Netflix membership, your Amazon Prime, all of these memberships that we all have, where we are able to use the products with our membership. So in order for people to continue to use the digital financial products inside of MyEcon, they're renewing their membership each month. So that's why that's happening. That's what that's about, just like any other digital membership that you have. So you can keep watching your shows on Netflix. You renew your membership, right? The only qualification for you when you bring on the new members is that they do have to sign up between April 11th and October 3rd. They just have to enroll during that period. And then when they renew their membership, you can get that $7.50 bonus per person. So as you can see, if you're someone who is a good team builder, someone who's serious about building a team, you could really make quite a bit of extra cash here with this $7.50 bonus each time somebody's renewing their monthly membership. Okay, next slide. Okay, this slide says best payout in the industry. And this is a true statement. MyEcon really truly does have the best payout in the industry. In the online marketing industry, they're the best. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an affiliate with them, but they really truly are the best. Let's look at these numbers and do some comparison. I mentioned on this video and in plenty of others that there are 4 levels of membership. There is the ZTM membership, the Zingo travel membership, which is the international level for people who are outside the United States to join. There is the Elite Business membership, the EBM membership. That's the top level for inside the United States and gives you access to all of the products inside of MyEcon. The FSM membership is the opening level with MyEcon. And here you're gaining access to all but 2 of the products inside of MyEcon. And then the FSMP, the Financial Success Membership Promotion, is the one that is discounted just on the initial opening price. So let me go over that just a little bit with you guys. The FSM membership is $44.95 to get started with. And the FSMP gives you a discount of $20 off of that $44.95. So that's why the commissions are decreased. These are the commissions that you're seeing right here, okay? So a person would earn with the FSMP, P for promotional, $15 up front and then $7.50 when their person that they signed up renews their membership in 30 days. So MyEcon is paying out $22.50 out of a total of $24.95 they're collecting for that membership. They're paying out $22.50. That's 90%. And that's all that they're keeping. And they're not even actually keeping that for themselves because they're still paying 5 more people in addition to you at a lesser rate, obviously. But they're not even hardly keeping anything on this membership here. 90% plus some is actually getting paid out. The FSM membership, as I said, is the $44.95, a $35 commission, and a $7.50 bonus. Means they're paying you $42.50 or almost 95% on this particular membership. You're getting that back as commission on this particular membership when you sign someone up for the FSM level. The EBM level, that's the $99.95 initial membership fee, and they're paying a $70 commission plus that $7.50 bonus, or $77.50 total in commissions paid to you. That's a 77.5% payout that they're giving. And then the last one, the Zingo Travel membership, the international membership, the startup fee for that is $59.95. They're paying a $35 commission plus the $7.50 bonus upon renewal of their monthly membership for a total of $42.50 paid out of that, which is 70.8% payout on the commission for those Zingo Travel memberships. Now, all of this is plus overrides and DTR, which is what we were just talking about. It's the residual income. It gets paid to the other 5 people on the team who are above you. So really, MyEcon is keeping next to nothing. They don't even really begin to make money on these memberships until a couple months in when people are paying their monthly renewals. So they're paying back most of the money that they're collecting for memberships. Most of that's going back in your pocket, you guys. You're getting to keep between 70.8% and 95% of the money that people are paying for their memberships in your own pocket. That's you getting to keep this money. Now, who else pays these kind of commissions out? Is there anyone? No, there's no one. So best payout in the industry, I would say so, most definitely. And that brings us to the end of our little slideshow presentation, just a short little celebration 20.5 slideshow presentation from MyEcon, but I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you realize exactly the investment that MyEcon is making into us as affiliates, okay? Exactly the amount of money that they're willing to put back in our pockets. They're keeping next to nothing for the company, and instead they're investing it back into the affiliates so that affiliates can make more money. Affiliates can bring home some extra cash. They understand the times are hard right now, and they're trying to help as many people as possible. And that's also my mission. I'm trying to help as many people as possible. I'm looking for people who are having a hard time right now in this weird upside down economy and world that we live in. All kinds of things are going on. Nobody knows up from down. It's weird. All kinds of stuff is happening. And so I want you to be able to have some financial stability in all of that. Here is how you can make and save more money. Here is a company that's willing to pay you handsomely for your efforts. And let's not take that for granted. I want you guys to be able to understand that, to realize that, to take advantage of that. They're willing to give it. So why wouldn't you sign up and take advantage of that for yourself? Let's go ahead and get you guys started. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get you started earning some commissions. Let's get you started saving some money, and let's get going. Let's take advantage of this promotion. It's for almost 6 months, and it's extra money in your pocket. I'm looking for leaders, people who want to build a big team. I'm looking for average people who just want to make and save a little extra money. I'm looking for you, whoever you are and whatever your circumstance is. Come alongside me. Let's work together. Let's reach your goals in 2025. If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the little notification bell so you can be notified when I post more content here on my YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to working with you guys really soon, and I'll see you on the next video.